Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to upload images in Canva. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Canva. You can either open the Canva application or you can also open Canva in browser. What you have to do is simply open the design in which you want to upload the image. Once you do that, at left you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for uploads and click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to upload the images, videos, audio, GIFs, etc. So in order to upload the image, first of all, click on the option upload files. Now the window will be opened up from which you'll be able to select the image that you want to upload. Due to privacy reason, that window will not be recorded. So what you have to do is simply select the picture that you want to upload. After selecting the image, click on the open option. Now you can see over here that image will be uploaded. If you want to upload this image on your design, simply click on that image. Now you can see over here that image will be uploaded on your design. You can also resize it if you want. So like this, you'll be able to upload the image. So that is how you upload image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.